Hi. There are so many opportunities to use serious games in healthcare for doctors, nurses, medtech professionals, students of all kinds, and of course, patients. With more than 70% of healthcare professionals now digital natives, there's never been a better time to engage them with serious games. We can create games that teach and train technical skills like minimally invasive surgery. We can overlay the cognitive decision-making aspects of each procedure, which are just as important to train and practice. We can go back a step and work on diagnosis, treatment and assessment of patients, and we can use that model to create awareness and understanding of health economics decisions. We've made games aiming to improve health, like fighting obesity in children, or helping transplant patients to understand why they must take their anti-rejection medication. We've even helped children and adults with balance problems regain their mobility. We can use serious games to help people understand the effect of treatment, especially around outcomes and quality of life. And we can use the intrinsic motivation of a serious game to help people stick to new healthy habits, or help with adherence with e-health interventions. For our healthcare applications, we collect data that helps us to improve or validate that the game does indeed reach the objective, whether that's skills transfer, understanding something new, or helping people to understand intangibles like the risk of side effects. There are so many ways that serious games can be used in healthcare to train care providers, medtech industry teams, and patients. We'd love to chat with you about how your idea of a serious game could work for you. Thanks for watching.